guys! Oh my gosh, you guys should be so excited what you're learning about today. This is the Charleston. You can totally look up how to do it. It's like one of the famous dances from the 1920s. Um, oh gosh, guys, the Roaring Twenties is so fun. So they wore like their headbands like this, and they had like there's girls called flappers that totally like made their parents totally angry, and they're rebelling against society. And then there was jazz music, which have you ever had your grandparents complain about the music you listen to? Yeah, that's how people complain about jazz. But we'll talk more about that tomorrow. So today, you're gonna do the Roaring Twenties assignment. So go down here to this one right here. And then you'll see a picture. This is flappers. They are showing their ankles, guys, and their knees. Oh my goodness. It was so disgraceful. And not only that, their elbows. Whoa. Whoa. It was a little crazy for that time period. Because, like, whoa. You know, because they're like women used to wear their dresses down to to be modest, wear their dresses down to their wrists and down to the ankles. And so 1920s show on your kneecaps was pretty scandalous. Okay, so 1920s was a roaring time. It was a reaction to the World War One, and people were just ready to wanting to not necessarily forget the horrors of war, but trying, they went through all this traumatic stuff and trying to overcome that. So the Roaring Twenties is what you're going to be doing. You're going to watch a short video and answer some questions about the Roaring Twenties. Oh my goodness, guys! This is my favorite person in all of history, Carrie Nation. She took a hatchet and went busting up bars. Fascinating person. I love her. She is so interesting to me. So you watch a short little video about her and answer some questions. I just think she's a riot. Okay, and then prohibition. It's about was illegal to manufacture and sell alcohol. So you're going to be watching a video about that. Then this isn't optional. You do not have to do it, but I think it's fun. Is creating a flapper Funko Pop. So if you want to do that, you can. Again, that's not something you have to do. That's something you might have to like print out to do too. But here's my example of a flapper Funko Pop. So again, that's optional. If you want to take a picture and send it to me, you can. I would love it. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy your assignment. I am so excited for you to be able to learn some of this stuff because 1920s is so fun. And I am so sad that you just get to like this much of like this huge thing. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing good. Oh, I was going to offer a study tip because I know it can be getting hard doing schooling from home. It's so much easier to do school, right? But what I recommend is taking breaks. I know I get really distracted easily, so what I do is I set a timer on my phone or on my computer for like 30 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna work on this for 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna stand up, take a break, I walk around my house, or I maybe do laundry, or you probably don't want to do laundry, but you can do something else for like 15 minutes or 10 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever you want to do, and then come back and work on it for another 30 minutes. Okay, so that's just an idea, something maybe that can help you as you're working on your work. All right, guys, we'll see you out there.